This crowd is not only for me but to all of us. Thank you.
Ano, Margaret Guillermo Mercado, Miss Grand, Province of Quirino.
Candidate number 17, Miss Grand Quirino. Miss Grand Quirino.
Actually, she's the first to make it to the cut for the top 10. Miss Grand Quirino, congratulations. So we have a little question for you. Hope you're feeling okay tonight. So your journey from competing in barangay pageants to reaching the national stage has been very inspiring to many of us. What do you think sets you apart now that you're here on the national stage?
I believe what sets me aside now that I am here in the national stage is my determination to, even though I am a new here, I have this courage, the determination to represent not only my province, but hopefully our country. Thank you.
Courage and determination. Thank you, Miss Quirino.
I am for stopping the war and violence. Each of us faces different battles in life. Struggles that are often invisible and visible to those around us. Yet, the path to true peace and harmony begins within. It starts when we choose to nurture inner peace, allowing it to guide our actions. By setting aside our differences and respecting our own unique beliefs, we can create a world where connection, not division, defines us. Let us embrace the power of our shared humanity and with good intention, take meaningful steps to sustain peace both within ourselves and in the world around us. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Grand.
And one of our finalists is Miss Grand Quirino and Margaret Mercado.
Would you rather be a president or first lady?
If I have a choice, I would definitely choose to be the president. Because being the president, you have the ability, you have the power to lead by example, to inspire others, and to make a difference in our country. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you. Well,
Naririnig mo sila.
want to say thank you so much for the support, messages, prayers that you have given me. And this crowd is not only for me, but to all of us.